Welcome friends. In our previous tutorial, we have successfully installed the WAMP server, and in this tutorial, we will explore it. You can see the WAMP server little icon and it says server offline. Click on that and this menu will come up. To put it online, that means users outside your network can access the web server, start all services which is already started. To stop these services, go to stop all services. To restart our WAMP server, click on restart all services. This is some debug options which is not important right now. Here is our MySQL installation and details like its version which is 5.5.8 and the service. We can start MySQL service, stop MySQL service and restart MySQL service from here. We can install and remove the services. We can open MySQL console window. We can change the settings in my.ini file and we can go through MySQL logs. For PHP, the same settings are given. The version which is 5.3.5, PHP settings which we can configure from php.ini as well, and the list of extensions installed by WAMP server along with PHP error log. Again, same with Apache, its version 2.2.17. We can actually start, stop and restart Apache service from here. We can test our port. We can install and remove services. These all are the modules of Apache which are being installed by WAMP server. The configuration file, error logs and access logs. Here are two important links. One is to phpMyAdmin and other is to localhost. Let us go to localhost. As we have selected Firefox to be the default browser, it opened the localhost in Firefox. This is our WAMP server home page. You can find phpMyAdmin here, which is an administrative tool for our MySQL server. The PHP info, which gives us the information about our PHP installation, and other tools. This was a quick exploration of our WAMP server installation. Thank you.